be showing you how to style a couple of outfits with Sperry. I also run a small giveaway. Watch the whole video to know how to win this cool funny pack from Roxy. Hey Don Hunters, before we start with this Sperry outfits, you are at the Don Hunters channel where me and my husband living aboard full-time while we are fixing our steel-hull Motorsailer 1985. Once we finish with that, we're going to be traveling around the world on it. If you are into that kind of adventures, come aboard, let's travel together. Amazon link to this Sperry model is below the video. I also spent a couple of hours and made other shopping lists with the Sperry models that I think are pretty cool. There are two separate lists for male and female. Make sure you check it out. If you're looking to get a special discount from the brands like Sperry, Roxy, Quicksilver, Ray-Ban, check our partners section on our website don-hunters.com, where we update the best deals for our followers weekly. For example, I got this Sperry for how much you think? $20 because of the special coupon on our website that gave me extra 40% off. It is so ridiculously cheap that I was like, oh my goodness, I have to buy them though I don't need them. It kind of can be dangerous, so keep an eye on those. I'm gonna give away this funny pack by Roxy to one lucky person once this video reaches 50 likes. If you want to win this funny pack by Roxy, you need to like this video, subscribe to our Don Hunters channel, and write me a comment below this video why you need to be the winner of this funny pack by Roxy. Person who will write the funniest comment below this video will get this funny pack from me and Roxy once this video reaches 50 likes. Let's get started.
Yo voy a cantar esta canción, yo voy a cantar esta canción para mi gente, con una pasión tan fuerte. Ay, 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 ay.
As a bonus, I also made 4 Amazon shopping lists for you. They will be very close to what I'm wearing.
Sigo gozando.
watching. If you did enjoy this video, remember to hit like and subscribe. And remember to keep an eye on this video, because once it's gonna reach 50 likes, as I said, I'm gonna give away this fanny pack from Roxy. And if you want to have a look on my other reviews, they are all in the Jana's Big Ketch playlist. My husband, William, Captain William, also has a bunch of interesting stuff, but it's more technical. So if you are on the technical side, head out to his playlist, which is called Dog Box Talks. And if you want to check out our vlogs, they also are available in the playlist Boatyard, because currently we are renovating our 1985 Motorsailer. So, and I will see you in the next videos. Keep in touch, leave a comment, like, peace, love, bye.